Okay, Assalamualaikum. So we'll continue with the Alkenes reactions. With the first reaction is addition reaction. Alright. So addition reactions. The first one is we will deal with the hydrogenation, or we call as a catalytic hydrogenation. So where we will add the hydrogen. So there is an addition of hydrogen across to carbon-carbon double bond. So alkenes react with hydrogen to produce alkene. So meaning that the product is alkene. From alkene turns to alkene. Alright, from unsaturated become saturated. Alright. In the presence of catalyst, so in this case there is a few types of catalyst can be used. So first is platinum or palladium. The temperature required is about 25 degree until 90 degree Celsius. This temperature is quite low, so mudah untuk kita buat reaction tu lah. Pada suhu bilik pun dah akan berlaku reaction. And also kalau kita nak deal with the nickel, so the temperature required is about 140 degrees until 200 degrees Celsius. So nickel ni lah used in producing margarine from vegetable oil. Okay, so kat sini dah tengok. So reaction dia, catalyst is insist. You need to write down the catalyst. So for example, when we deal with any types of alkene, so you have this 1, 2, 3, 4 butene. So boleh naming kan balik semula. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have here is butene. Okay, so remember how to name the compound. Okay, butene react with hydrogen plus H2, addition with the hydrogen gas, and then in presence of platinum. So normally dia akan tulis kat bawah 25 degree Celsius until 90 degree Celsius. Okay, apa produk yang terhasil? As I mentioned, the reaction only happen pada dekat sini, double bond. So carbon mana? So you ada carbon satu kat sini, you ada satu lagi carbon di sini. So carbon-carbon double bond. So pada carbon tu sahaja yang akan berlaku reaction. So carbon yang sini tidak berlaku, carbon yang hujung pun tidak akan berlaku apa-apa any reactions. Alright. So apa terjadi? Reaction awak, so salin je macam biasa. So akan masuklah pada carbon ini satu hydrogen, satu lagi hydrogen. So this we call as a hydrogenation or catalytic hydrogenation. But remember, catalyst is very important. So either they give you the platinum, palladium or nickel. So you need to state the temperature at the same time. So is it possible? Ada yang bertanya kepada saya, sir, is it possible kalau kita lukis gini, bawah satu hydrogen, atas satu hydrogen? Atau sir, saya nampak itu dia jadi alkene. From alkene dia turn jadi alkene. So daripada butene akan jadi butane saja. Betul sir? So perlu ke saya letak hydrogen tu? So ketiga-tiga jawapan ini diterima. So tiada masalah. Since your product is alkene, is it right? So hydrogen tu masuk. Tapi bagi saya, you kena better you letakkanlah gambar raja hydrogen ni pada awal-awal buat latihan ni, kena perlu letak sebab dia akan memudahkan anda untuk pemahaman. So very easy, right? Addition reaction for hydrogenation of hydrogen. So di sini, if let's say bagi soalan lain, so if let's say saya bagi double bond pada situ and then react with hydrogen with the presence of palladium. Temperature is 25 degree Celsius until 90 degree Celsius. So apa yang berlaku? So remember, reaction cuma berlaku di carbon sini dan carbon sini sahaja. Carbon-carbon double bond. So your product is alkene. So akan dapat begitu sajalah. So which is where the hydrogen yang masuk adalah pada carbon double bond sini. This is alkene. Okay, understood? So we move to the second reaction. Okay, the second reaction is addition of halogen. Okay, halogen yang guna pakai kat sini is chlorine gas and bromine gas, while iodine gas and fluorine gas is quite less reactive. For iodine is less reactive, meanwhile for fluorine is too reactive, may cause explosion. So in this case, saya tunjukkan adalah chlorine gas and also bromine gas. Okay, so in inert solvent, so meaning that in inert solvent such as you have dichloromethane CH2Cl2 and also CCl4, known also as a tetrachloromethane. So both of these inert solvent common dekat mana kita jumpa? Please guess. Alright, so normally dalam you punya spray nyamuk. So it's not good. Dia akan membuatkan permukaan ozon menipis. You bertanggungjawab terhadap itu ya. So saya tak guna. Okay. So apa terjadi kat sini? Apa maksud inert solvent? Inert solvent ni adalah yang akan membenarkan kedua-dua. So remember here, once again, saya beritahu pada awak, you have this alkene. Contoh saya bagi di sini. You have this alkene. So react with this inert solvent in presence of the inert solvent. So sometimes you can write down like this. So you have react with Cl2. So bila letak kat atas ni, maksudnya dia akan ada reaction with the Cl2, and then with the presence of, for example, in this case is CCl4. So CCl4 adalah inert. So dia tidak terlibat, bermaksud dia tidak akan terlibat langsung dengan reaction. Dia cuma sebagai catalyst sahajalah untuk reaction. So still once again, you just focus kepada carbon-carbon double bond sahaja, which is here and here. This carbon only, carbon-carbon double bond. Alright, so what you should do is macam biasa, but before that, this alkene known as a nucleophile. Once again, penting untuk awak tahu mana satu nucleophile, mana satu electrophile. So your electrophile adalah ini. Ini adalah electrophile. Kenapa kita panggil dia sebagai nucleophile and electrophile? So as I mentioned in chapter 1, electrophile adalah benda yang dah stable. So for example, chlorine gas tu dah sangat stable. Dia tak ada lagi dah elektron untuk disedekahkan kepada sesiapa ya. Meanwhile for nucleophile, you have carbon-carbon double bond. You have the pi bond. So the pi bond adalah electron rich region. So that's why we call it as a nucleophile. Okay, so what happened here? So as I mentioned tadi, you akan berlaku reaction pada carbon-carbon double bond. So carbon-carbon, just fokus pada carbon-carbon double bond sahaja. So you have here skeletal structure. So di mana nak masuk chlorine tersebut, Cl2 tersebut, so dibenarkan masuk kedua-duanya di bahagian ini. Settle. This is the correct answer. Okay. So I give you a question. So if you have any question, you can ask me during the class. Alright, so if let's say I give you two reaction, So I need you to predict the product. Okay, then you need to WhatsApp me the answer. You draw the chemical structure, then WhatsApp me. PM tepi. That's all for this class for two reaction. Thank you.